Phone number is 505-716-3681. We're here to talk about the CF Moto. We just put the Moorhead Racing kit on this, the long travel kit with 35s. This machine is the new upcoming machine. It is Chinese, but it is actually becoming more of a staple of the industry. Everybody's building parts for these. The prices are correct. If you look inside, the fit and finish is ideal. It comes with the tilt windshield. It comes with full doors. It comes with the air conditioning. It's not as good as the Expedition air conditioning, but it does work pretty decent, maybe HD10 equivalent. It has a 3-cylinder engine, 1000. Looks like they did a good job with that. It has a tilt bed with hydraulics. That's a push button. Pretty awesome, actually. It stays down better than Polaris, in my opinion. We have a few bumpers on here. If you want to get a picture of the suspension we just installed, pretty nice suspension kit. We did use an aftermarket clutch kit. Now, there are companies out there that do the Chinese thing where they just tell you that 35s work on their clutch kit, but they supply zero technical service. I'm not going to name who they are, but we're going to get a new clutch. So with what I'm talking about is you have established companies like Super ATV or Shock Therapy, and these are big companies that are starting to do CF Moto stuff, and they're reputable companies. But you need to be careful with the little brick and mortars back east. You know, they might be selling you a bunch of Chinese parts, and they might not have any idea on how to set them up or have any technical advice on that. So you're stiffed with an $800 clutch kit and zero support. And then you find out that it doesn't even support the 35s. So kind of like one of those things, like it's ideal for 32s, but it can work for 35s. It's kind of weird. It makes no sense to me because it should support 100% 35s. And then you call the company and the company says, oh, we don't even recommend 35s with this clutch kit. And then you find all that fantastic stuff out. So that's just an example of what I'm talking about. You want to go with a company that answers their phone, that doesn't do this email runaround, and actually helps you with technical support. And they're not worried about whatever else they're worried about. Surviving, I'm not sure. So we put some rock sliders on here with some steps. Pretty sweet. We're going to tune this machine. Should get 50 more horsepower or something. We'll find out soon. And yeah, this is the upcoming Chinese machine that's may make itself to a staple of the industry. It's like $27,000, really inexpensive. But for the most part, operating this machine down the road, it is really, really cool.